In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Docs. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your Canva account, then start on your main Canva dashboard. This is the homepage you see right after you sign in, with all your recent designs and templates. From here, look just below the search bar and find the option labeled Doc. Go ahead and click that. Canva will open a brand new document, similar to a blank page in a traditional word processor. Once your Canva doc opens, you can start typing right away. The very first line you type will automatically become your headline. This is useful because Canva treats that first line as the main title of your document and formats it slightly larger so it stands out. After you've typed your headline, press enter on your keyboard. Canva will then move your cursor to the next line where you can continue typing your body text, like paragraphs, notes, or whatever content you are creating. Next, let's customize the look of your text. First, click and drag over your headline to highlight it. When your text is selected, a formatting bar will appear at the top of the page. This is where you can change how your text looks. Start with the font, click on the font name drop down to open Canva's font list, and then click on a new font to instantly apply it to your selected text. Right next to that, you'll see the font size. Click on the size and either choose from the preset options, use the arrows to increase or decrease, or simply type in a specific number. You can also adjust the color of your text. Click on the text color icon and choose a different color from the palette that appears. If you want to make your text stand out even more, click on the highlight color icon to add a colored background behind the text. You'll see icons for bold, italic, underline, and strike through. Click on the B to make your text bold, the I to italicize it, the underline icon to add an underline, and the strike through icon to place a line through your text. To adjust paragraph layout, click the alignment icon with lines on it to switch between left, center, right, or justified text. If you want a list, click the bullets icon to turn your text into a bulleted list. For more precise control, click the T icon with the arrow underneath to open advanced text settings. Here, you can adjust things like line spacing and other formatting options to fine-tune your layout. Now let's look at enhancing your document with visuals and other elements. On the left-hand side, click on Elements. This panel lets you insert banners, columns, sheets, tables, charts, graphics, photos, videos, and highlight blocks to make your document more engaging. If you want to bring in your own files, click on Uploads to import images, videos, or other media from your device. To present data clearly, click on Charts to add different styles of charts and customize them with your own numbers. Finally, if you want people to quickly access a link from your document, click on the QR code option to generate and insert a QR code directly into your Canva doc.